Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to turn on auto delete messages on a Telegram application. Alright guys, first of all, we need to open our Telegram application in our phone. And after we have our Telegram application opened, we can go to the Telegram setting. We can click on this three lines on the top left and click on the settings option. And here we need to go to the privacy and security. Okay, and here we can activate the auto delete messages. We just need to click on this option. And here we have some options. We can select after 1 day, after 1 week, after 1 month, or set custom time. And for me, I'm gonna go with this after 1 week. So after 1 week, the messages in my Telegram will be automatically deleted. And we just need to click on enable. Alright guys, then that's how we can enable the auto delete messages on Telegram application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.